Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm looking rough because I did not get any sleep from my daughter and her friends going in and out. The dog barks at them. 18-year-olds, this is about the point where I'm like, when y'all going off to college? Yeah, so it is cold. It is rainy. I don't like the cold, but I need to go to Dollar Tree and get some things, prepare for next week's videos, and then I'll probably spend Sunday tomorrow filming like all of my videos for the week. My Monday video, my Tuesday video, my Wednesday video, and I think I'm gonna try to get a DIY Thursday or Friday in, so hopefully I'll get to do a DIY tomorrow as well. But that's another reason why I want to go to Dollar Tree, is because I need to get some material for my DIYs. So, and by the way, my editing tool is so much faster. I still use my old one because I use my iPhone and my old software for my vlogs, and that takes a lot of time to edit, and it honestly kills me. I think that's why my vlogs have slowed down a little bit. But my new editing software and filming with my new camera basically takes 30 minutes to edit. And then some videos don't even take me more than 30 minutes to film, anywhere between like 15 and 30 minutes. And so I'm able to knock out so much on my weekends, and that's kind of what I do with all of my free time. And it just has made my life so much easier, and it really blows me away that I used to spend so many hours editing and now I don't. And I'm changed, however, a lot has happened since the last clip. I just have on my sweater, sweatpants, I have my thermal on, which actually keeps me super warm. I got it from Walmart. I'm actually thinking about going back to Walmart and looking for some clothes because I love watching Walmart clothing hauls. They're so interesting, and it really is kind of shocking from what I've seen in other videos how good the stuff seems to be and the rave reviews that Walmart clothing has been getting. I digress, but the thermal is really helping to keep me extra warm on this super cold day. But unfortunately, I did go directly to Dollar Tree right after that clip and didn't end up filming anything because I got annoyed with my daughter because she likes to steal the auxiliary cord from my car. It just blows me away how, I don't know, maybe this is just my kid, I don't know about other teenagers, but I feel like she goes through those aux cords so fast, and it makes no sense to me because my auxiliary cord never really breaks, so I don't know. I just got annoyed, and I just wasn't in the mood to film at that point. So anyway, I went to Dollar Tree, hit the mega jackpot. And this is after the video that just went live today. I was calling it my epic haul on Instagram, but I think the title of it, and I'll insert it right here, like every damn thing is new. And in the video, I just kind of like teased and laughed that like maybe the next haul is gonna be even better, but in my mind, I thought, I seriously doubt it. No, girl, no, you just don't know what I freaking found. Insane, but by the time you watch this vlog, that haul will probably already be up because I'm gonna be doing all of my filming tomorrow on Sunday for the week. So I'll kind of show you guys all the bags. I got everything for like my pink theme, which is gonna be my next Dollar Tree color theme, is gonna be pink. And so I got all of my stuff for that. And let's see, what else did I do? I came home and then I was editing a cheer video that I'm putting together for my daughter and her friends. And so I've still been kind of like working on that here and there. So I worked on that, and I've been basically in the living room cozying up because it's so cold and rainy outside. But y'all, Y'all, oh my gosh. I just found the ultimate. Oh my gosh, I cannot with this. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen for $1 at Dollar Tree. It's happening. I got more stuff, I got more puzzles, and actually I think I'm gonna start a puzzle tomorrow, and got some of my pink stuff. This is actually from Amazon. I already showed it to you guys, but the first one that I got, I ordered an 8, but it was really tight on my foot, so I returned it and ordered an 8.5. And I'm hoping that this one is going to fit, because I really, really like the style of this shoe. I feel like it will go with so many of my workout stuff. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but it's a very dreary day. And I have Star Trek Voyager on. Oh, that's a piece I got at Hobby Lobby, but I haven't figured out if I like it or not yet. So the tag is still on it. But let's see. It was $15.99, but it was 50% off or 40% off, whatever their sale was for Easter stuff. So it was like, I came to around $9 basically. But I don't know if I'm keeping it. I also did the dishes, unloaded the dishwasher. Now I have myself a little treat. I have some cookies going. But the most exciting thing of all, which I think I talked about it, I finally got my coloring books. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these. I'll link them down below for you guys. They came from Amazon. And I found this coloring book through a video I watched on YouTube. I'll also link her channel down below. She's an amazing colorist, and I aspire to be just like her. Nice little town 4. So she has like 1 through 6. I believe 6 is the latest one. So I need to get my hands on 1, 2, 3, and 5. I randomly picked 4 and 6 just because I had already seen videos from that YouTuber with both of these. So that's why I picked these out first. And they're cheap. These are like $5. I don't know. I think for how cute, and it's supposed to be amazing quality. Like, she puts this black behind so it doesn't bleed through, which is so amazing. Yeah, but I'm gonna do like an official flip through of these videos. And then the goal is one day that I do a bunch of color with me's in these, and then I'll finish like the book, and then we can do like a final flip through, and that's gonna be everything. So I really hope you guys are as excited about me about this, because I haven't been this excited about content in a while. So thumbs up if you're right there with me. And my daughter is out with friends. I think she's supposed to have like a bonfire thing for seniors. So that's happening. It's March, you guys. We're coming down to the final stretch of the race, and about to send my baby off to college. And we've still been doing a lot of stuff involving that and blah, blah, blah. Here's Lox. And I have my most recent DIY. If you have not seen this, please go watch this video because I'm really proud of this DIY. I've got my candle lit. It's from Target. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna wait for my cookies to finish, and I'm going to relax. I don't really normally get to do that because my free time is like YouTube time. I hit the ground running and it's YouTube. Like in every last stretch of my free time minute. So I actually have a whole new routine now, which has really been working. Again, with the editing software being so much better for my main channel. Like tomorrow again will be like my film day. I'll knock out everything, and then I'll use nights to edit my vlogs and stuff for my vlog channel. And so it kind of leaves me a little bit free today to give back to myself. And look at the dog. When does she take that bed? It usually is right over there. No, she did. She knows I'm talking about her. And here is your daily dose of Loxy.
Perfect.